Hello everyone, it's David from Swansway Peugeot in Chester. Thank you very much for watching this video. We're pleased to offer the Peugeot 208 Signature 1.2 PureTech engine, which is 82 horsepower. The car is fitted with these 16-inch aluminium alloys, folding door mirrors with a chrome surround, tinted windows on the side and the rear. The 2019 69 plates also fitted with rear parking sensors, which are completely flush to the bodywork. Good boot space for a small car. It's extremely deep, so you can get quite a lot in there. Underneath we've got this space saver spare wheel and locking wheel nut. Full cloth interior with a blue stitching, which I'm a big fan of. Really does stick out. I think pairs really well with the seats. Headlining is light, which makes the car feel a lot bigger. Interior smells fresh. No tears to the seats. No signs of pets or smoke. Got a cloth armrest with gloss black handles. Again, full cloth interior for the driver and passenger with the blue contrast stitching there. Full leather steering wheel. There's also options here where you can turn the stop start off, the parking sensors, and you can also manage the controls for the child locks. This 208's travelled 27,469 miles. Moving over to the left, we have got the colour display. You have got DAB radio on here as well. The navigation is paired up to a USB, and I'll talk about that in a moment. Bluetooth connectivity. If you've got a smartphone roughly 4 years old, they all should work with this. You've got Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink and Android Auto. Using a USB, you can have Google Maps on this screen if you wanted to, as long as you have paired your phone together with the USB. Just underneath we've got the manual climate controls with air conditioning. We've also got the 12-volt socket and a USB, and I know it's important for a lot of people, you have got two cup holders here as well. You can also go into the car settings if you needed to and turn your traction control off, etc. if you really wanted to. I'd keep it on if I were you. Dashboard's in great condition. This material feels like a carbon fibre tech material. Feels nice and smooth. Again, car inside is in fantastic condition. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If there's anything you'd like me to go into detail about, please call and ask for me. My name's David on 01244 398 600. All the best.